good old times. Funny, I don't really remember there being any good old times between us.
Yeah, come to think of it, you're right.
What do you want, Cam? Why are we here?
Oh, you know, just a friendly chat. Just thinking about the old memories.
Cut the crap, Cam. You think I know something about what happened that night.
Do I? Or do you think I know something that you don't want getting out?
We agreed to leave that in the past. Nothing happened. You're delusional. You make stories up. Remember? It's best to leave those memories in the past.
Yeah, but memories have a funny way of resurfacing, don't they?